Now at 11, she's a local single mom who struggled with losing her sight. Nearly blind, she couldn't keep a job or afford insurance, but she never gave up hope. With a little help, she received the gift of sight just in time for Christmas. Our Cameron Eppinger brings us her inspiring story.
My eyes get so bad to where I can't function at work. I can't drive. Like, it's been days I've been in so much pain, I just cry.
At 11 years old, Takia Woods suddenly started to lose her vision. As a teen and well into her adulthood, she suffered from what's called keratoconus. It's an eye disease that causes the cornea to develop into an abnormal shape, according to Dr. Ravi Patel, a board-certified ophthalmologist in Jacksonville.
And over time, instead of the cornea, which is the clear window of the eye, being round, it develops conical or a cone-like shape, and that's why it's called keratoconus.
The only way to treat it is through a corneal transplant. Due to her condition, Woods, a single mother, struggled to make ends meet. Although she lost her sight, she didn't lose focus of her two young sons.
I was getting fired from jobs, but it's just like, I know they need, and they're depending on me. Like, I don't know, I never had it in me to just give up.
After years of misdiagnosis and severe pain, Woods was introduced to Patel. With his help, she received a cornea donated from the Lions Eye Bank. Patel also covered the cost and performed a life-changing procedure.
And we felt, what's the best way to really reshape her life and change it was by giving her the gift of sight and giving her her vision back so she could now go forward and do the things that she wants to do.
One of those things includes being able to finally see her sons when they wake up on Christmas.
I'm happy. I'm glad I'm back at work, right before the holidays. Like, I'm happy. I'm looking forward to it.
Cameron Eppinger, First Coast News, on your side.
Oh, that's great to hear. Florida Eye Specialist is in Riverside. It's currently starting a foundation to provide free services and programs for patients in need.